Schönbrunn Palace is one of Austria's most famous landmarks, known for its stunning Baroque architecture, vast gardens, and rich imperial history. It was the summer residence of the Habsburg dynasty for over 300 years and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It has 1,441 rooms, though only 40 are open to the public. Spring and summer for the gardens, but winter is magical with the Schönbrunn Christmas market. Hofburg Palace is one of the most significant historical landmarks in Austria, serving as the residence of the Habsburg dynasty for over 600 years. Today, it houses museums, the Austrian president's office, and the famous Spanish riding school. Originally built in the 13th century, it expanded over the centuries into a massive palace complex, one of the most beautiful Baroque libraries in the world, with stunning frescoes and over 200,000 books. Belvedere Palace is one of Vienna's most iconic landmarks, known for its stunning Baroque architecture, beautiful gardens, and world-class art collection, including Gustav Klimt's The Kiss. Built in the 18th century as a summer residence for Prince Eugene of Savoy, a famous Austrian military leader, Belvedere Palace consists of two main buildings, Upper Belvedere and Lower Belvedere. While it doesn't have as many rooms as Schönbrunn or Hofburg, it still features several grand halls, galleries, and chambers. St. Stephen's Cathedral is Vienna's most iconic landmark, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture and a historic symbol of Austria. Located in Stephansplatz, the cathedral has stood for over 800 years, witnessing key events in Austrian history. Originally built in 1147 in Romanesque style, later rebuilt in the Gothic style in the 14th and 15th centuries. Survived World War II bombings, though its roof was severely damaged in 1945. Karlskirche is one of Vienna's most stunning Baroque churches, known for its massive dome, intricate frescoes, and twin columns inspired by Trajan's column in Rome. Located in Karlsplatz, it is a must-visit for architecture lovers and history enthusiasts. Completed in 1737, blending Roman, Greek, and Baroque architectural elements. Features twin columns inspired by Trajan's column in Rome, symbolizing triumph and faith. Vienna State Opera is one of the world's most renowned opera houses, celebrated for its exceptional acoustics, stunning architecture, and rich history in the world of classical music. Originally named the Court Opera, it has been the home to many of Vienna's greatest performances. The building suffered bomb damage during World War II but was restored and reopened in 1955.